Welcome back to the channel. This is Gina, and today we're starting the funnel build series where I'll walk you through how to create a clean, strategic coaching landing page step by step. Before we build anything inside Go High Level, we need to start with strategy. Most landing pages fail not because of design, but because of the foundation wasn't defined clearly from the beginning. I already prepared the brand identity for this project, so here we already have the logo, the font style, the color palette, the icons, the brand voice, and the chart color. So these elements will guide the entire build and keep everything looking cohesive and premium. Here inside Go High Level, this is where most people immediately start dragging blocks, and that's where the mistakes begin. They build without clarity, and the page ends up looking disconnected and confusing. That's why we start with a very simple framework: messaging, structure, and visual identity. Next, we define the offer, the session name, who it's for, and the transformation someone can expect. So this guide the copy and the direction of the entire page. And then lastly, once the offer is clear, we outline the structure, the hero section, who you help, what you offer, benefits, testimonial, and also the booking section. This keeps our build organized and intentional. And then we decide whether the page will use a form or calendar. All right. It's a small decision, but it affects how we design the final layout. So now that the strategy is ready, we can start building. In the next video, we'll start the hero section, the most important part of the entire landing page, because this is where we communicate the transformation in just few seconds. If you're following the series, make sure to join me in the next video. We're now moving from strategy into actual design, and this is where your landing page starts to take shape. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.